Hi, my pupils. Today it will be the introductory for the new syllabus for grade 1 and grade 2, new syllabus of our Egyptian syllabus. But before I will go to make an introductory for grade 1 and grade 2, I would like to say don't forget to make share, like, subscribe to my channel. This is my channel, send you new videos. Let's go to our revise today. This is an introductory for the new syllabus. You know that the Connect is changed from grade 1 till grade 6. Today I will give you the introductory about this syllabus, but not it is a syllabus. It's introductory to make your mind before we will start the syllabus. I hope to follow me for the next video to know what's new. Here in this part, we talk about my body. I think we learned before the body and the parts of body. We have eye, nose, mouth, foot, ear, hand, face, tooth. So here we have, this is called the body parts, okay? I think we learned this before and we know. Here we say, what is this? Can you guess with me what is this? This is my nose, so I select this. So any part in our body is one, we say is. If our body have two parts like hand, we say are. So we must know this in this verb. Okay, we select the singular verb as the part of our body. This is my nose. This is my mouth. This is my hand. This is my eye. Let's go to another one. This is the part. In this part, we talk about the school items we have in our bag, like what? Like pen, pencil case, ruler, bag, book, sharpener, eraser. Okay, we know that eraser. We have eraser. We have another meaning of eraser, which is wrapper. But we know, but the famous word that we use it will be eraser. Okay, what is this? We can say it's a bag. All of us know it. I'm listening to saying bag. Let's go to another one here. It's what is this? Book. Clever pupils. I'm listening to saying is book. What is this? It's ruler. Excellent. What is this? It's pencil case. I think all of us know it. So we during the last syllabus we learn colors. Let's remember us with the colors. We have red, blue, green, yellow, orange, black. I would like to revise the connect before we took this in details. You can revise also the connect syllabus. I explained the lessons from one to in both terms. We can revise from our videos, okay, to remember you with it. Okay, I will make a revise today, but I hope to go to the videos and review again what we told before. Here we have red, blue, green, yellow, orange. Let's here do this exercise together. My pencil is space what here? Is it what pencil is what is here? My pencil here is green. The bag is why here is red. A pencil case is black. The ruler is what here is orange. Let's continue. Here we talk about parents. So here is the parts of in every part of this vocab. We have vocab related to body. We have vocab related to school. We have vocab related to colors, and we have vocab related to family. So here we have words classified as the item that we talk about it. Okay, here we talk about the family. Here was father, mother, brother, sister, grandpa, and grandma. And this is, we took it before. We say what? Grandpa and grandma. We say grandparents, as we took it before. Okay, I think we took this before in Connect. In Connect, I think so. We took it in Connect, and we know that grandpa and grandma, or grandfather and grandmother, it will be gathered as grandparents. Okay, let's continue the rest of the exercise. I will leave this booklet below the video to download it and answer this question again. I would like to answer this question again to make a practice on. Okay, I would like to do so grade 1 and grade 2. I hope to answer and send it to me on the channel to contact with you. If we have a difficult question, we can explain again, and I hope to be able to give you an information in a simplest way. Okay, she is space here. She's is he brother? No. Is she sister? No. It will be what here? It will be here. She is my grandma. So I select this one. This is my what? This is my brother without thinking. This is my what? Grandfather, because when we say grandpa, we use older. So this is not older. This is this is called adult. So it will be here father. Okay. She is my what? She is my sister here. Let's go to another item here, which is animals. We talk about animals. Have cow, duck, rabbit, hen, sheep. Sheep is used as singular and plural both. Okay, sheep can't add s to the sheep. Sheep is in singular and plural is the same. Sheep, cat, horse, lion. So must this know this rule. Okay, there is a dog, clever pupils. There is a rabbit. There is a here. There is a cow, clever pupils. There is a sheep. Let's go to another item here. This is food. Here's apple, guava, mango, orange, cake, salad, water, and chicken. Here is where I have somewhat here, some cake. So I select this one. So here we talk about some and any, and we know during the previous videos, some used with affirmative, with offers, with affirmative offers and requests. We use some with this in these cases, and we use any with what? With negative and question forms. So this is the difference between some and any. If you return to the videos, you can know this. So here we have in some used with affirmative forms, with requests and offers. Any used with negative and questions. Okay, that is we know it before during the videos, during learning the Connect and Connect Plus in last videos, in previous videos. I have some space here. I have some cake. I have some. Here is somewhat. Here is some water. Water is uncountable. So here I use what? I use some. I have in space here an orange. I have some. Here is some salad. Here we talk about jobs. I think we know jobs before, and we know the many jobs. We have teacher, doctor, dentist, vet, and I during the summer course I give you the jobs and I give you the question about your future job and told you to write about your future job. Okay, I think we do this during the summer course and during when we're learning Discover also. Okay, I think so. Okay, teacher, doctor, dentist, vet, firefighter, police officer, nurse, and engineer. So what if the job of this man? So the man is here is a police officer. I'm listening using this man. This one is treated with animals. So this woman is what? Is doctor or engineer or vet? Vet. Why? Because it treated animals. So she's vet. What is this? The job of this man? Doctor, are clever people. When we use the blackboard and book and the chalk. So this is refers to what? Without thinking, teachers. Okay, teachers. The difficult job. It's a difficult job and it's not easy job. It's a difficult job and we want to make effort to contact the information to make another one understand. It's not an easy job. It's difficult to make effort to be able to help students to understand what we're saying. Okay. Let's go to another item here, which is transport. Transport. What is the means of transport? We have bus, we have car, we have van, we have boat, we have train, plane, motorbike, bike. So the boat is in what? In the sea. Van, car, bus, walk on lane, train, railway. We use the train, walk in railway. Plane is fly in the sky, so it would be in air. Motorbike on land, bike on land. Okay, this is the way that that we use this transport. I can see space here. I can see space here. What I can see plane. I can see a bus. Yeah, clever pupils. I can see a car. I can see a train. Okay. Here is we have the consonant sounds. Let's know it together. Here we have B, C, D, F, G, H, K, L, M, N, O, B. We have a consonant sound and we have vowel sounds. Okay, the vowel sounds. What is the vowel sound? A, E, I, O, U. And this vowel sound takes what? Takes in. Okay, the indefinite articles and this take a. Okay, now we know this. Okay, let's continue the rest of the exercise. Here we say, here is an elephant. So I'm saying you, we have E here. So I put what? I put N. I explained this before. Okay, if you return to the summer course, this lesson I explained in detail. You can return to the videos and revise what I told before. Here is we have C. C is consonant sound. Take what? Take A. Here is octopus. It will be N. Here it will be a jellyfish, an egg. Here is a mat, an umbrella, a fox. Okay. I will leave it to you during after finishing the video to answer again. Okay. Let's go to another one here. Here is we say A and N. We have here 26 sentences. I answer some of them and I will leave the rest to do it by yourself as a homework. Here it will be here A. It will be here a B. He is a teacher. He is a B because B is what is consonant sound. Here is a consonant sound. Here is E is a vowel sound. Take what? Take N. Here is book, consonant sound. Take A. Elephant. To be here N. Egg. Why? Because we have E. And we know I would like to remember me with vowel sound. It will be A. R, A, E, I, O, U. I will remind you with the vowel sound. The vowel sound take what? Take A. Okay. Consonant sound take A. Here it will be here N. Here is she has a story. Okay. Yes. Let's go down. So A and N used with singular nouns. Okay. If we have a plural noun, don't put any articles like A or N, because A and or N refers to the singular form. If we have a plural form, don't use the articles at all. Okay. Here is we have the plural nouns. Let's know the plural nouns. I think this is we explained before. Here is tree. The plural of tree, it will be here trees. Here is apples. I answer some of them and we leave the rest to do it by yourself as a homework. Okay. Here is books. More than one, it will be must be adding s to the noun. Okay. Here is cups. Here is rates. Here is birds. Here is pencils. Here is what? Hands. Okay. More than one must be adding s to the noun. Okay. Let's continue the rest of the of our exercise. Here is the also the plural nouns. As we know, we have some regular plural nouns which adding es to the noun, like this. We say fox, foxes, dash, dashes. We have a regular plurals. Change it completely. Like what? Like man, mean. As we know, took it before. Man, it will be mean. Okay, in plural, it will be here mean. Woman, women. Woman, it will be here women. Women and women. We have here tooth, it will be teeth. So here is the difference between we replaced O by E. Here is a man, it will be replaced by E. Here is women, it will be replaced A by E, replaced A here in mean by E. Okay, this is a plural noun. This is called a regular plural noun. Regular plural noun. Right, we have irregular verbs. Here is irregular plural nouns. Plural, irregular plural nouns. Irregular plural. I would like to to write it in. We say here irregular plural nouns. Irregular. I will write it here for you. Irregular plural nouns. Irregular plural nouns. Regular plural nouns. Plural nouns. Okay. Regular pronouns. Here is to say books. It will be here boxes. I add EES to the noun. Here is books. It will be boxes. Watch. It will be here watches. Buses. Glasses. Adding ES to the noun. Glasses. Here is dishes. Tomatoes. I explained this also in the. If you can't remember, you can go to the videos of basic summer course that I explained this before, so we can revise it in it. Okay, to can revise it again. Okay, adding ES. Here is ES to the nouns. Let's continue the rest of the exercise, the rest of the lesson, our lesson. Next class, I will revise for grade 3. The next video I will revise for grade 4, and the last one it will be 5 and 6. Okay, we make a revise for this is the revises for the primaries before we starting the new syllabus. Okay, I will make you your mind before we starting the new syllabus. Okay. Here is we have trees. It will be here trees. Adding S. Box, it will be here boxes. I answered the previous question before, so I can't answer all of them because now we know the plural nouns and adding S and how we adding S and when we adding S and when we adding ES to the verb. Okay, here it will be here watches. I don't answer all of them because I would like to say to know different kinds of adding S, if adding S or adding ES and so on. Okay, let's go to another item here in this unit, in this in our revise here. I will leave the rest to do it by yourself as a home. Okay, here we say here we are describing something by saying this is. When we point to something is near from me, I saying this is, or we say it is. Okay, so I answer some of them and I will leave the rest to do it by yourself as a home. I will translate it in English. Okay, this is in Arabic and we will translate it here in English. This is my nose. We say this is. So here I translate it in English. It will be here. This is my hand. This is my hand. This is my hand. I say here. This is my hand. Why? Because he refers to one hand, not both hands. If we say more than one, if we say I have two hands, so this is plural. So here we say when we say like in this structure. So here it refers to what? To the singular noun. This is my hand. So I say here, this is my hand. This is my face. This is my face. This is, I say here, this is my face. This is my face. My face. This is my face. And I can't put these because here we obligating you to use this is, not this in the plural now, because the plural of this demonstrative, it will be this like this. Okay, if we want you to write this as a plural, you can write it to you. Okay, this is the plural of this demonstrative pronoun. Okay, I explained this before. I'm saying this used for singular near and this used for plural near. This is for plural near and this is for what? For singular near. I will explain this before. Okay, this is my what? This is my face. This is my face. This is my what? You can hear, this is my eye. This is my mouse. I can't write it because now we know how to write it, okay? This is my mouse, okay? Let's continue the rest of the exercise to end it now from the revising here. I hope I hope you two don't be bored with me, okay? Because I think the video is long, okay? I don't want to make the video long. Here it's a pencil. It's what? It's here. It's pen. I answer some of them, and I will leave the rest to do it by yourself to end our video. It's what? It's a pen. Here, it's a pen. Here, it's a pencil case. The answer here, it's pencil case. It's a pencil case. It's a pencil. It's a pencil case. It will be here. It's a pencil case. Pencil case. So I leave the rest to do it by yourself. So now we know the meaning of this word and this word and this word. I think we learned it before, and it's able to do it by yourself. Let's go to another item here. It will be here. Here we say it's blue. We say here it's red. We say here it's red. We say here it's black. I can't write it, but you must write it. Because I would like to make the video not longer. So we know now it's red, it's black. You can write by yourself as we know. Okay, it's green and so on. Let's continue to let's go to another one. When I introduce my first when I introduce myself or I introduce anyone to anyone, we say this is when introducing someone to someone. Okay. Here we say, this is my mother. This is my mother. We say here, this is my mother. Or this is my mom. Okay. This is my mother. This is mother. This is my mother. Say here, so say here, this is my mother. This is my mother. Okay. Say here, this is my mother. This is my mother. This is my grandfather. Or grandma. You can say grandfather or grandma. Both are correct. Grandfather. Here, grandmother. We can say grandmother or grandpa or grandfather, grandpa. We can say here grandmother, father or grandpa. We can say here grandmother or grandma. Both are correct. Okay, both are correct. This is my brother. Let's continue the rest of the exercise to end from the video today, because I would like to end from our video. Because I know that the video is too long today, okay? But we make a revise before, but we must do so because we have a new service, so we must know everything before you start to be ready to the new service, okay? He is a police officer. So here we say he is. So we use he is to refers to what? To the male or the female, or the male, not female, male or the man, or the man or the boy. I think the one who works, not the boy, it will be man. This is a police officer. A police officer. This is a teacher. This is a teacher. This is a what? The dentist. Okay, we have here. This is a dentist. This is a what? This is a vet. Okay. Here is firefighter. This is a firefighter. I know. I think we learn firefighter more and more in the connect. Okay, it's not a strange word for us. I think all these words is not strange for us. We took it before. Okay, it's not difficult to do it. Okay, to know it. Okay, not strange from us. Let's continue the rest of the exercise. Here we say she is a or a. She is a teacher. We say here she is a doctor. She is a doctor. She is a doctor. She's a doctor. She's a doctor. She's what here? She's a vet. She's what? She's a vet. She is an engineer. She is a police officer. She's a police officer. She's a police officer. Police officer. She's a police officer. Okay. Let's go to another one here. Here we say, I can see. So here we say, I can see. Here's the expression of I can see. I can see A or N. I can see the bus. So here, when we say I can see, means I use my what? I use my eyes. I can see a bus. I can see a bike. I can see bike. I can see a car. I can see a bike. I can see a car. I can see a motorbike. I can see a motorbike. A motorbike. I can see a van. I can see a train. Here's a train, okay? By this question, we end from our video today. I hope to benefit and enjoy our video. Thanks a lot. Until you meet again. Goodbye.